Hi all, Greg from My Mortgage here, and just talking about break fees when you're selling one property and buying another one. So at the moment, the fixed interest rate cost is much lower than the floating interest rate. So most of the time our clients are fixing their home loans for 12 months, 24 months, something like that. And so if then they decide to sell their property during that fixed period, the bank are going to charge break fees. Now, even though a lot of the time we might get your next lending with the same bank, the bank is still going to charge those break fees. But the flip side of that is when you get new lending, they're going to give you some more cash as well. Normally, when you take out a loan on a new piece of lending, the bank will give you some cash, a cash contribution, which you can use to pay legal fees and things like that. And obviously, you could use those to pay break fees as well. So one thing to note when you are fixing your lending, make sure you chat to your bank or chat to us about any plans you might have coming forward. So for example, I had a client the other day who said, I want to fix in for 3 years, but I'll probably be selling the property in about 18 months. And I then questioned her and said, well, is that the smartest thing to do? If we actually think that we're going to be selling the property in 18 months to 2 years, maybe just fixing in for 2 years or 12 months or something like that till we have a little bit more certainty would be the best thing to do, even though right at the moment the 3-year rate is looking quite good. So if you are refixing your lending, make sure that you take that stuff into account so that when and if you are looking to sell or to pay down the rest of your lending or anything like that, you're then not hit with any break fees because break fees are charged regardless of whether you're moving into a new property with lending with the same bank. So any questions about break fees or anything like that, give me or the team at My Mortgage here a call, and we'd be happy to chat through that with you and make a plan to make sure that you're not hit with those massive break fees when you go to sell.